Hello my beautiful YouTube family. In today's video I'm going to tell you about SmartScout and Helium 10. So I'm going to compare these both in detail and I'm going to tell you which one's better. So let's dive into the video without wasting any time. Here you can see that I have opened both the interfaces on my laptop screen and now I'm going to dive into both of them. So what is SmartScout in a nutshell? I'm going to tell you what basically SmartScout is. SmartScout is an advanced tool designed to provide a complete analysis of Amazon sellers, brands, and products. It offers a comprehensive view of Amazon's top 20 categories and thousands of subcategories, making it easier for sellers to improve their platforms. And going forward to Helium 10, what is Helium 10 in a nutshell? So Helium 10 is considered an all-in-one software for Amazon sellers. It helps sellers control their catalog through a suite of Amazon software tools, from keyword research to inventory production. It promises to help sellers tackle crucial objectives related to their e-commerce business. So let's get started with the video. Here you can see that if I get started with Helium 10, I get this business type. Here I get new sellers. You get this sellers option. If you're new to e-commerce, you can always go to this option. And if you're an advanced seller, you can go for this option. Then you get the brands option, the enterprise business, the agencies, brand marketing firms. And then you get the e-commerce marketplaces. You get the Amazon and the Walmart. And then the key products includes Market Tracker 360 and the Atomic and the Inside Dashboard. So that's the get started option over here. And then moving forward to the tools, here you get the learn about tools, insights, and dashboard. You get the product research, you get Chrome extension over here. And then you get the black box and the extra. And then you get the keyword research, the cerebral and the magnet. You get the listing optimization. You can always use these. You get the operations over here. All these operations are available over here. You can get the inventory management. You can manage your inventory with this option. You can manage refund service. You can refund genie. You get alerts. You get monitor listing for fraud. You get follow up, the automate email marketing, the seller assistant, the automate customer reviews. And then you can see that you can build and optimize your listing. You can verify listing you're optimized. You can build your optimized listing by using listing builder. Then moving forward to analytics, here you can see that in the analytics option you get the profits. You track your sales and profits. This is the updated version. You get market tracker. You get to conduct market research. You get the keyword tracker. You can track keyword rankings. And you get the Market Tracker 360, Amazon Market Intelligence. And then you get the marketing option over here, that is Atomic. You can run pay-per-click campaigns. You get the free tools over here. These are all the free tools that you get. So moving forward to the pricing section, I'm going to come back to the pricing section later. Right now you can see the resources over here. You get the freedom ticket, Amazon PPC Academy, podcast, webinars, exit ticket, the Academy, Project X, Project W, and all these. And these are some latest things from Helium 10. And then you can come to the blog option over here if you want to. And then the about over here, you can become an affiliate if you want to. And here are the career options that you can see. So you can boost Q4 sales with competitor tracking. This is a new option over here too. You can sign up for free by clicking over here and you get this demo over here. You can get to increase your revenue by clicking the sellers option. You can scale your business with this brands option, and you can boost your client success with this agencies option. You can sign up simply by clicking over here, or you can click over here for the free sign up, and that's how you sign up. You can contact their team by clicking over here. You can achieve more results in less time by using these options right over here that you can see. And then comes the plan and pricing. You get to save 25% per month when billed annually. You get this diamond, platinum, and starter. These three plans are available for Helium 10, and you can avail any of these. You can simply click buy now button and you can avail these simply. And you can explore solutions by clicking over here, and here you can see that you get outclass your Amazon and Walmart competitors. And here you can get solution for agency, solution for seller, solution for brand, and brands and agencies over here. You can meet your in-house experts over here and you can learn from them, and then you can grow your e-commerce business faster and more efficiently with Helium 10 because they improve sales and product rank, they increase market share, they reduce manual workload, and they skyrocket your client growth. You can see their plan and pricing by clicking over here. I have already shared it with you above. Here are some FAQs. This is the FAQ section that you can go through, or you can subscribe with the email if you don't want to miss any insights. So that's all. You can get started over here. You get the tools over here, you get the resources over here, and the company over here, and you get the help center and support over here. Let's go to the SmartScout now. Now let's get started with the SmartScout. Here you can see that you get all these options over here. You get the online arbitrage, you get the private label sellers, you get the wholesale, you get business buyers and marketing agencies over here. Then the features include brands, traffic graph, the seller tools, the ad spy, the keyword detective, the scope, and then the subcategories, the products, FBA calculator, UPC scanners, search terms relevancy, and AR listing architect. And then moving forward to resources, you get the SmartScout University, industry reports, Scout, SmartScout Amazon directory, seller key terms, and the SmartScout blog. And then moving forward to the seller map, you can see in the seller map you can get over here by clicking it. Let's wait for it to load then. And I'm going to go to the pricing section. Also, you can see a demo by clicking over here. And this is a pricing section. You have to click the pricing option over here and you get these 4 plans over here. While in Helium 10, you get only 3, but in here, in SmartScout, you get 4, the basic, essential, business, and enterprise. This one's for 25 per month and this one's for 75 per month. And this is the most recommended for resellers and private labels. This is recommended for new sellers, and this is recommended for brands, whereas this one's recommended for growing brands, experts, and agencies. You can talk to sales over here. You can start your free trial by clicking over here. Now this is the plus point. They give you this free trial over here. You can just click over here and you get the free trial, and you get the monthly option too. You can click over here and you get the free trials over here too. So here you can see that this is the requested demo over here. You can just request a demo by putting your first name, your last name, your email, your phone number, and why are you booking this call. You have to tell them, and you have to tell how do you compete on Amazon, and you have to click book your demo now, and that's how you request a demo on SmartScout. Now here you can see that this seller map over here, you can choose your default marketplace, and that's how you see your seller map on SmartScout. So this is all about SmartScout. Here you can see that this is about the brand and product research. This is the market and competitor research. This is the keyword research, and this is tools and data expert and the AL listing. So that's how you talk to sales. You have to click over here. That's what makes their business different. SmartScout business is for brands that are looking to optimize their listings and understand their current competitive market. You get the traffic graph, rank score, and the brand categories over here. You get the scope, ad spy, and relevant products over here. And here you can see that how SmartScout helped the Amazon sellers. They have given their reviews. You can read these if you want, and you can start a 7-day free trial if you want to, just by clicking this yellow button right over here. The partners include Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, and here you can see that why SmartScout features. The features available are brands, subcategories, products, FBA calculator, and all these that I have mentioned above. Then the resources, and then the company over here. You can click over here and you're going to be back to top. And that's the support over here, and you can choose a language if you want to over here. You get 4 options over here. And now I'm going to tell you the difference between SmartScout and Helium 10. So I'm going to compare both, I guess, pricing, features, and background and scope. I guess SmartScout is better, as Helium 10 offers a starter plan at $29 per month and a platinum plan at $79 per month and a diamond plan at $229 per month. And on the other hand, SmartScout offers a plan of $29 per month, and then Essential plan for $97 per month, and then a Business plan for $187 per month, and an Enterprise plan with customer pricing. It gives you 4 plans, so I guess that is like pretty much logical. And then about the features, both Helium 10 and SmartScout offer product research, keyword research, and inventory management in their starter plans. However, Helium 10's premium plan includes additional features such as a black box, trend star, and inventory protector. In contrast, SmartScout's Pro plan includes additional features such as traffic graph, seller search, and an Excel experts, and the Enterprise plan includes AdSpy and Scope. Now, I would recommend SmartScout, but please leave in the comment section which one would you prefer and why. Thank you very much for staying with me. Thank you very much for your time. I hope to see you again. Bye bye.